So welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to fully protect an image from being moved or resized. For this you need to click on the developer on the top ribbon and then click on this picture content control. It's look like a small blue mountain in a gray box. Click on that and you will see that a placeholder box will appear in your document that says click here to insert a picture. You need to click on that from a file. So choose the picture which you want to protect. For example, I select this picture and now you can make it resize. Now click the picture on the content control box you just created to select it and then head to the developer tab again and click on the properties. Give it a name, for example, protect, and choose a color, for example, red, and check this box content cannot be edited and click OK, and that's all. Now if you want to drag it, it is not moving, and if you want to make it resize, this will be not resized. So if you want to unprotect it, then again go to the select the picture, go to the developer and click on the properties and uncheck the content cannot be edited and click OK, and now you can see that it is resizing. So this way you can easily fully protect an image from being moved or resized. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.